Look at that. Look at my brother. Gang of them here. It's in danger. I'll be talking shit the whole morning, that's why. Before I send the people out here somewhere. Probably send somebody out here. See that, people? It's like God talk to me. Yo, brother, what's going on? Where you guys at? That's my room right there. On top of my house. Just warning me, what's up? Look, they got innocent citizen out here, look. They bring the kid out here, they try to record me. You know what I mean? They try to set me up. See what I'm going through? That's the United States New World Order right there. Even though the Orange County Sheriff, they locked me up, the Orange County Sheriff released me. Don't want to do the dirty work. Real talk, people. That's me right here. Oh yeah, that's my brother warning me. What's up? I'm not lying to you guys, man. It's because I know too much dirty stuff about them. How the church paid the money to take me out. How the casinos rigging all the sports game. You know what I mean? How they do dealing drugs and shit. Murder and citizen. Insider 9/11. Genociding freaking World War I, II. Afghan, Vietnam War. Iraq. All that shit. Real talk. I'm not lying to you guys. You guys, the information's online. You need to look it up yourself. Yo, brother. What's going on? I ain't afraid of them, man. It's telling me dangerous. Look, they're all over the place. You see? Real tough right here. That's how God take care of me, man. They come, my brother comes. They come deep too. See, when I say God take care of me, that's how he take care of me right here. That's how he take care of me. This is the crow. Sometimes, if you're lucky, I'll catch the hummingbird, the dove, the hawk too. He uses all type of birds. Fucked up, huh? I ain't afraid of them.